Now ask yourself something uncomfortable. Is your smartphone a tool? Or is it infrastructure for your life? Because in less than 30 years, the smartphone has evolved from a portable phone into the most powerful AI device most humans will ever own. And we're only at the beginning. Let's go back. The 1990s. Mobile phones were simple. Devices like the Nokia 3310 dominated the market. They made calls. They sent text messages. They played Snake. That was it. Battery life lasted days. No notifications. No infinite scrolling. No algorithm deciding what you should see. At that stage, phones extended your voice. They did not shape your behavior. That changed in 2007. When the iPhone was introduced, it wasn't the first smartphone, but it redefined what a phone could be. A full web browser, a multi-touch screen, a digital camera. And then came the App Store. That moment changed everything. Because now your phone wasn't just hardware. It became a platform. And platform scale. Within years, your phone absorbed your GPS device, your music player, your camera, your calendar, your flashlight, your alarm clock, your banking terminal. One object. Dozens of industries replaced. Now, here's where it gets more serious. Around 2010, smartphones stopped being communication devices. They became data machines. Every tap, every search, every location, every pause on a video, collected, processed, analyzed. Companies like Apple Incorporated, Samsung, and Google pushed hardware further. Faster processors, better cameras, 4G networks, cloud synchronization. But something invisible was growing beneath the surface. Artificial intelligence. At first, it was subtle. Autocorrect, predictive text, face detection in photos. Then voice assistants appeared.
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen.
Siri,
Glass is
Google
glass.
Assistant.
I'm talking about the inner
They felt
display of the
primitive.
screen. Glass
But
is
they
glass.
were
I'm
signals.
talking about the inner
Your
display
phone
of
was
the
beginning to
screen.
interpret you.
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen.
Modern smartphones contain specialized AI chips called neural processing units. That means your phone is no longer just running apps. It is running machine learning models locally. When your camera takes a night photo and magically makes it brighter, that's AI stacking multiple frames. When your phone unlocks with your face, computer vision. When it predicts the next word you'll type, language modeling. When it recommends the next video, behavioral pattern recognition. Your phone is studying you. And here's the turning point. With the rise of large language models and generative AI, the smartphone is transforming again. From a reactive device to a proactive assistant. Imagine this. Your phone summarizes your emails automatically, drafts replies, translates conversations in real time, edits your photos professionally, creates social media captions, builds presentations, tracks your health patterns, predicts your schedule. That is not science fiction. That is AI integration happening now. The smartphone is becoming an AI interface. But this creates a new question. If your device starts anticipating your needs, are you still making decisions independently? Or are you being gently guided? Here's something even deeper. The automobile reshaped geography. The smartphone reshaped attention. And AI integration may reshape cognition itself. Think about how often you reach for your phone when you don't know something. You no longer memorize directions. You don't memorize phone numbers. You don't even memorize facts the way previous generations did. Your smartphone has become external memory. With AI, it may become external reasoning. Now imagine the next phase. Ambient intelligence. Your phone connected to smart watches, smart glasses, smart homes, cars, health monitors. One AI ecosystem coordinating everything. scheduling, optimizing, predicting. At that point, your smartphone is not just a device. It is a digital extension of you. And that raises uncomfortable questions. Who owns the data? Who controls the algorithms? How much autonomy should a machine have? Because the more intelligent your device becomes, the more invisible its influence becomes. And here's the final thought. The most powerful computer in human history is not in a laboratory. It is in your pocket. You check it hundreds of times per day. It knows your routines, your contacts, your interests, your fears, your habits. And now it is learning. The question is no longer, how smart is your phone? But how much of thinking will it do for you?
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen.
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen. Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen.
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the inner display of the screen.
Glass is glass. I'm talking about the actual inner display of the screen. Glass is glass. I'm talking about the actual inner display of the screen.